Hi guys, thanks for signing up to Me and My Builder and using our stress-free project management system. In this quick tutorial we're just going to show you how easy and fast it is to set up your first project. Now this is your dashboard, I'm sure you've been here before. Now we'll go straight down to create new project. Now if you're a pro builder you'll get 3 projects at any one time. If you're now a project manager you'll get unlimited projects. So start off on Pro and we'll see how busy we can get. Click create a project. In 3 easy steps we need to fill out a few details such as project name, client name, address, etc. Then we need to add a start date. We're going to start next Monday and the project will be 8 weeks. Now the value of the project will be 35,000 including VAT, and the customer has already paid a 10% deposit of 3,500. So let's just put that in there and click there. If the deposit hasn't been paid but you require one, leave it in there and we'll put a date to it in the next section. I'll show you that way. The type of work is a single story extension. At this point you can add a file including quotes, drawings, whatever you require. And there your schedule has been created, ready for you to fill in. You can see the total price is 35,000. We've got a £3,500 deposit already published, remainder of £31,500. Now the schedule is set into 8 weeks. You can alter this and add more or less to these dates and change it as required. We've set it up this way because we think a weekly schedule, the customer's happy knowing what happens week to week, and it gives you a target to hit every week, so you know what you need to be done. So the dates are already filled out, work to be done. We'll fill in here a few details of what we expect to be done each week. There you can see I've just put a brief description each week of what work can be expected to be completed. When you're doing this, make it realistic because we're going to add payments to each section. So don't overpromise if you're not sure you can make it. It'd be better to be realistic and honest with the customer, and so you don't hit problems down the line. How you space your payments is entirely up to you, and your customer has to be happy with it. So don't be asking for it all up front because you're not going to get agreement. Likewise, don't put it all at the end because you don't want to be stung. Now once you've split up your payments, how you see fit, you can see that there's nothing remaining, it all adds up. You can also add notes to each week if something's going to be happening or you need something from the client. So possibly we'll be digging the foundations that week, building inspector to visit, just so you know and your customer knows. Once that's set and you're happy with that, click proceed. Now we need to set the contract, and the contract is set by the Federation of Master Builders. You may have seen this before. It's extremely simple. It covers you and your client, making the whole project fair and transparent. A couple of questions: will there be a defects period? Generally no, but some people may insist. Will the customer be transferring the right to receive insurance? Again, generally no, but for those out there that do insurance work, this is something that you will need to get insurance or local authority grant, and that will update the contract to stipulate them. And who is responsible for the project documents and drawings? If the client supplied drawings, it's them. If you've supplied drawings, it's you. Fairly obvious stuff. If there's anything specific that you want to add to the contract, type it in here. That'll then go in for the customer to review and get back to you. So contract's there. Again, if you haven't seen it, read through it. It'll always be the same from the next project. Set your contract. Click to accept. And that is that. You've now set up your first project. Mr. Smith has been notified by email and will be able to review the project and agree to the contract. Once that's done, there's your schedule. So you know each week what work to be done, the payment due, whether it's been finished, and whether it's been paid.